Guys, tigil mo ng pag-scroll! Pagod na ba ang laptop mong parang lumang electric pa ng tunog? Meet the Ningmei NL100 N95082. Mukhang Apple, pero hindi presyong hindi Apple. Anong nasa loob? Intel N95 chip. Hindi ito N4 na lulunod. This is 12 Gen efficiency. With 8GB RAM and 256GB SSD, mas mabilis pa ito mag-load kaysa sa reply ng crush mo. Tingnan nyo tong 15.6-inch Full HD screen. Bezel-less, parang relasyon nyo, walang boundaries. Perfect for Netflix, Zoom, or pag kunwari nagtatrabaho pero naka-Shopee pala. Ang gaan, 1.5 kilograms lang, kasya sa tote bag, kasya sa budget. At complete ang ports. Hindi mo na kailangan ng dangle na kasing haba ng listahan ng utang mo. Plug and play, baby. Bakit ka pa magtitiis sa mabagal? The Ningmei NL100 is the ultimate student and work from home body. Compact, sleek, and actually affordable. Don't be a sana all. Be a meron din. So message us now and click the Shopee link below. Ningmei NL100 dahil deserve mo ng laptop na hindi sumusuko sa'yo. So ano pa hinihintay nyo? Check out na!
Want a game, want a stream, wanna build that beast. PCS got the heat, parts stacked like a feast. RAM, GPU, and SSDs, we got the setup to fulfill your tech dreams.